In this tutorial, I'm going to share with you my technique for helping children use scissors, and it really does work. Alright, my name's Art John and I'm an artist and an educator, and this channel is all about sharing years of experience so that you can have art lessons that are, and so if that sounds valuable to you, make sure you subscribe and click the bell so that you get an email every time I upload a new video. Almost every teacher I know has had the experience of trying to get their pupils to cut something out and they've witnessed this. Or this. This is my favourite one. This is a great one. The backwards cut. I mean, the ability of young people to come up with inventive ways of how to use scissors badly is... The truth is that using scissors is an incredibly difficult skill and one that is almost as hard to teach. But this is the technique that I find works really well all of the time.
So the first thing you'll want your pupils to do is hold their scissors correctly. For this, I get the pupils to show me their water pistols. Then the thumb goes in the top hole and the index finger in the bottom hole. There are two places to cut with scissors. The tips, which are for snips, and these are great for tiny cuts, but rubbish for cutting out lines or shapes. For the best way to cut, you need to use the inside V of the scissors. And you never want to fully close your scissors. Small, gentle movements are best. I call these scissor shivers. This really helps children who struggle with fine motor skills, as they do not have to make large movements with their hands. And of course, all of this needs regular practice. The beauty of scissor shivers is that it slows pupils down, giving them a chance to cut with care and to use their other hand to turn the paper so that they get a smooth cut.
So there we go. I hope this video has been useful to you. If it has been useful to you in any way, do me a favour, make sure you share it amongst your friends and click like. Also, if you want to know about any future videos, then make sure you click the subscribe button and hit the bell logo, and that way you get an email. Well done, thank you so much for sticking around, and as a reward, here are some corgis. Alright?